What up YouTube, it's your boy Hemi Meets and I'm back again with another video for you guys. Basically on today's video, we are going to be covering how to make your Chrysler 300 look like a brand new 2018, 19 and up Chrysler 300. Now, even if you got the Chrysler 300C, which this is a 2013 Chrysler 300C. Even if you have one of these, you can also make them look like the S, because I know a lot of people do prefer the S models because of how more sportier they look, less chrome that you have to deal with, and things like that. So basically, let's get right into the video. This is for all my new subscribers. This is my 2013 Chrysler 300C all-wheel drive with the 5.7 Hemi. I'm gonna pop the hood for y'all in a second so y'all can, ain't much under there for right now. We are gonna be doing performance mods pretty soon, but I am still gonna pop the hood. But basically, what I wanted to talk to you guys about today was, it's a lot of ways that you can make this car, which is a 2013, look like the newer models. And if you also wanted to, matter of fact, we'll get into that. But yeah, to make them look like the newer models. This is a 2013 with a brand new SRT front bumper swap, and at first they were called the appearance packages, the S appearance package bumper, until they released the 2023 Chrysler 300 RT, and now they have this whole front end with the fog lights and all that stuff. Me personally, I like the light delete, because I feel like it helps with more airflow. So I like the light delete, and honestly, it's a lot cheaper. So I would prefer that mod more so than anything. So that is actually one of the ways that you can make your old old grandpa 300 look more sportier. You feel me? Then you also can add a front lip to add on to just whatever you're trying to get up out of it. And as you can see, like with the lip and stuff like that, this car looks a lot more aggressive. It looks a lot more aggressive. Let me give you a walk around real quick, and let me give you a side profile. And basically that's how it looks from a side profile, and it look even more crazier when you're driving it or it's coming down the street at this side profile, you feel me? Or front face. Let me go ahead and give y'all a front view too. Y'all a front view too, and back to this side. So yeah, it makes the car look so much more aggressive, and it makes it look like it's in today's like car market, basically, like saying like it's a 2019 and up. A lot of people don't ask me. Well, basically they say, when they ask me what year this car is, I tell them it's a 13. Nobody believes me, only because of, they be shocked, they're shocked when I say it's a 13, because I have the newer front end. They, wow, this, basically saying this don't look like a 13. So that is one thing that you can do, which honestly, I've been waiting to do either this swap or the original 11 through 14 or 12 through 14. SRT swapped bumpers. But once I saw this one and I seen the potential on it on a lot of 300s, I'm like, damn, I can only imagine how that bumper would look on my car. So I caught it on a good sale one day. I caught them good deal at carparts.com, and ended up grabbing it for a great deal, real great deal, because I know these bumpers are $1,000+ for the whole setup. But I broke my setup down in pieces, and I took my time getting everything that I needed to, basically to complete this bumper. So that's basically one of the things that you can do to make, your car stand out and make it look newer than, the 11 through 14 models. The 11 through 14 model Chrysler 300s that, you originally see with the old man rounded off front end. This makes it look a lot more aggressive and newer. And then if you do want to step it up a little bit more, I know a lot of people been doing the rear end swaps too. I was actually debating if I wanted to do a rear end swap, basically. I might in the near future, or I might just do the newer style tail lights, because they do have that as an option as well. I'm not sure yet what I want to do. I'm not sure yet what I want to do, so I'm gonna rock out with this for right now. Who knows, maybe next summer around I might end up doing the newer bumper conversion and the new tail light conversion, just to make that back end look like the newer Chrysler 300s. Other thing to make your Chrysler look, well, even though the newer ones don't come lowered, that's one thing that I feel like everybody should, well, not everybody, but you know, for these cars to look nice, I feel like they do have to be lowered and set up on a nice set of wheels and tires. Definitely lowering springs. I still slightly want to go a little bit lower in the back. I don't know, we'll see how that goes, but for right now, I mean, this is fine for right now. But let's go ahead and get into the inside of the car, because like I said, you can always, you know, make these cars look newer. And I know with these cars, it's getting a lot more better, and that's only because the simple fact of a lot of people are, you know, starting to get into the technology. They're starting to get the newer steering wheels. The cluster swap is pretty easy. I will be doing a video on that real soon when I get mine. I will be doing a cluster swap. And then a lot of have an Apple CarPlay for the 11 through 14 models, so you can't have that option to have Apple CarPlay. It'll cost a little bit more money, but if you actually like the Apple CarPlay, then I say go for it, because they do have that as an option as well. I will be doing that in the near future. I'll probably wait sometime to like next year, next summer, to actually get into like hooking up the Apple CarPlay and stuff like that. So yeah, hot under here. All right, so as y'all can see, 5.7 liter bar. I now have a oil catch can and a coating intake that is dirty as fuck, and I honestly need to clean. I really need to get in this engine bay and clean up now that I got an oil catch can catching that old oil. I'm gonna let that cool down, because that's pretty damn hot. But it looked good though, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, like I was saying, those are some options that you can do. And then also I recommend, like, especially if you do get a 300C, do the headlight chrome delete, because it makes a very big difference in the car. Basically, look at that. Chrome, I had them chromed out. If y'all go check out my videos earlier when I started YouTube, that was one of the things that I did, and it changed the whole look on the car with just chrome deleting the lights. And then I wanted to add my own style, because I know the newer styles have the little chrome around the ring of the headlight. I wanted to be a little different, so I ended up doing the red, just to, I always wanted it to be like red eyes or something. So let me show y'all this feature also that I added. This was another feature that I do like about the car that I added. App controlled. I think I showed y'all in a couple other videos. It's app controlled. It's still kind of light outside, but you can see the red eyes basically. Yes, they changed other colors, but like the red. And I was also thinking about doing red underglow. Also, another thing to make your Chrysler look like the newer style Chryslers is you can actually get a hood for these. And even though the 2023 or any Chrysler that you have is gonna come with that standard Chrysler hood, that was like one of the first things that I actually grabbed, because honestly I could not stand the Chrysler hood when I first got it. I was so used to my Charger, I was used to it looking aggressive, and yeah, when I went and got that, I was like when I got the Chrysler, I was like, yeah, this hood gotta go. But also, let me know if y'all want to see a video with my hood off, driving through town with my hood off. And I'll definitely do a video like that with my hood off, man. That'd be crazy. See a little 5.7, man, tearing up the blocks, man. That'd be cool. POV with the hood off, or a vlog with the hood off, man. I'm gonna definitely do that, man. Y'all let me know in the comment section down below, man, if y'all want to see that, because I'll definitely do that video for y'all. I'm not doing the doors off. I'm not gonna do that, because I'm not gonna do the doors off. Everybody doing the doors off. Like, I'll link up with some dudes and they want to take their doors off. Only thing I might take off is just my hood, and that's it, because I feel like this will look pretty clean riding with my hood off, and y'all get to see everything. Now for the strut bar, I'm probably gonna turn that black, or what do y'all think if I had it powder coated bronze to match the wheels? Because like I said, I really want to start, now that I pretty much got everything, I want to start cleaning up like on the details and matching certain colors. Like I want to get into the engine bay and start matching certain colors. So let me know what y'all think about that. And yeah, because I wouldn't mind this shit, all that shit hot. I wonder how much oil is in there. I had the oil catch can for probably about 2 days now. I wonder how much oil is in there now. I don't know. Y'all, let's see on video. It's hot as fuck. I'm gonna let that shit cool down. That shit hot as hell. That shit hot as hell. I'm gonna let that shit cool down. Then I crack it open. So, but those are ways you can turn your old man Chrysler, is what they call them. As y'all can see, I got my front bumper done finally to match the whole car, and like it really gives this car a different look. Like I'm in love. Like I love it so much. I like the spoilers, like all of that stuff, like it all comes together, you feel me? Like I didn't even show y'all, like also, my bad, let me step back, I'm getting off track, let me step back. Another thing, when you do get these Chrysler 300s, you are gonna have a lot of chrome. Preferably the C models are gonna have more chrome than the S models. So what you can do is you can wrap, or eBay or Amazon to be your best friend. Because as you can see, I got carbon fiber side mirrors and carbon fiber door handles now, and it wasn't even that expensive, you feel me? And then like you can go ahead and wrap this black, or you know, carbon, or whatever color you want to do. That's the color of your car, you feel me? But a lot of people just do black, and I feel like, you know, it looked pretty good, and that makes the car look newer. Because I feel like a lot of older cars or a lot of luxury cars came with chrome and stuff like that. So I do feel that a chrome delete, definitely get yourself a chrome delete, man, because it'll make a big difference in this car. But yeah, those are basically the top things that you can do to the Chrysler 300s, 11 through 14. Shit, even the older Chryslers, you know, even y'all can do some things too to make y'all Chrysler look a lot newer than what it is, you feel me? You can make any car basically look newer than what it is with a little modding and a little chrome delete and nice lowering springs and a set of wheels, you feel me? You can make those cars look pretty much newer than what they are. So I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video, man. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, turn that post bell notification on so y'all don't miss a drop. And I'm gonna catch y'all on the next video, man. Let me know in the comment section down below if y'all do want to see that video with the hood off, because I'll definitely get that in motion for y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next video, man. Peace.